Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use a for loop. In my college time, when I first learned C++, we used to learn for loop in this way. So we can declare a variable. This is optional, right? I declare with a R as integer, and then I use a structure called for loop. For loop start with the for and then with the variable r equal 1 to say 1 to 10 next r, and this is the structures of for loop. It has a word for, it has a word to, and next. So what is really happening here is that we can also print out the value of r, and then I go to view tab, I choose immediate window. Yes, it's right here. And what I do is that I'll just write. I just run this code. Now notice that in the immediate window it shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, right? It's basically I'll take the R value and increment by 1 for every next R. So R starts from 1 to 10, and that's it, right? So can it do a reverse? The answer is yes, right? You can go 10 to 1, but you need one more step, right? If I run this code, nothing happens. Why? Because we need to have steps, -1. So I run this code, it becomes 10 to 1. But that is, or it can do a reverse, but usually we use it for in incremental. So we run this code, it has this, and you can also put a dot right here. Click here, right? This is called in debug mode, right? So I run this code. Let me just clear the informations, right? So R has a value of 1 as we go into the loop for the first time. So now R is printing this by pressing F8, the uh, shortcut key, right? F8, and then R has 1. Now R go to the next loop, and then we press F8 again. R has a value of R2, right? And now immediate window shows the value of 2. And that is how we use a for loop. Now you can also represent R as just the row itself, right? You can use it for T. It doesn't matter what value you put there, right? As long as it's not a keyword. You can't use like dim for, right? Right, you can't use this for because for is a keyword in XLVBS, but you can use a F, right? You can, right? If you change the T, then everything is T, right? So I'll stick to R then. Okay, and then I'll now go to I'll now change that, remove the dot. To remove the dot, just click here one more time, right? And then now I want to put in this 1 to 10 into the in the cell row 1, so on, right? So I can use the cells object. The cells object says the first parameter is to put the row numbers, right? So I put the R. The column index number I can put 2, right? And then dot value equal to R, and I run this code, and that's what it means, right? I put the R value of the current loop into row 1. If R is 1, then I put it into the cell B1 as the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how we make use of it, right? So I hope this help you understand the for loop. Thanks for watching.